Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to filter data in Google Sheets. Filtering is a useful feature that helps you display only the information you need while temporarily hiding other data. This is especially helpful when working with large spreadsheets. In this example, we have a simple dataset containing product names, regions, and sales information. First, select the complete data range that you want to filter. Make sure all the relevant rows and columns are selected so your data stays organized. Next, go to the Data menu at the top of Google Sheets. From this menu, you can find different tools for organizing and managing your spreadsheet. Now, click on Create a Filter. After selecting this option, filter icons will appear next to your column headers. These filter icons allow you to control which information is displayed in your spreadsheet. For example, you can click a filter icon next to a column and choose specific values to display. Filtering is very useful when you want to focus on a specific product, region, or other type of information without deleting any data from your spreadsheet. It helps you quickly find the information you need and makes working with large datasets much easier. And that's how you can create a filter in Google Sheets. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more helpful Google Sheets tutorials. See you in the next video.